Hey guys, this is Steve. Welcome to DoraHacks live streaming session. Again, very happy to host another two amazing projects today. Banksy Finance is presenting first, and the second project is Sapient. So yeah, this is a part of DoraHacks and Filecoin quadratic funding grant one, the first ever quadratic funding grant happening on HackerLink for Filecoin ecosystem projects. And so far, we just expanded the prize pool to $115,000 for all the amazing projects to they can all get a portion out of that. The hackathon officially ends at July 18th. So make sure you go to hackerlink.io to find all the amazing projects. And you actually have a chance to curate those projects by donating USDC to the projects, because all of them are early stage projects and they will really appreciate your support, your attention, your contribution. So yeah, you still got a chance to do that. Isn't it amazing to fund amazing projects early stage? So yeah, today we have two amazing projects demoing. We got Terry here from Banksy Finance. Terry will present first. So a brief intro about Banksy. Banksy Finance is the first AI-driven NFT protocol, NFT pool-based lending platform to lead a revolution of NFT market. Banksy Finance first integrated AI technology in the NFT market and innovatively established the reliable NFT pool-based lending to fully release the value of NFT. So yeah, I'll leave more of the introduction to the project to Terry. And Terry, you have 25 minutes to introduce Banksy Finance to us. Thanks for joining.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm gonna share my screen here. So thank you everyone to join the presentation of Banksy Finance. So I'm Terry, the Chief Marketing Officer of Banksy team. So Banksy Finance is the first AI-driven NFT pool-based lending platform. So Banksy provided this solution instead of P2P lending solution. So we believe this will lead the revolution of the NFT markets. The NFT mortgage lending business is not a mature solution, which is mainly in the face of exploration and attempts such as P2P lending platform, MT5. So data shows that the MT5 has been launched for almost 8 months, but the turnover is only like about 800 ETH. In most cases, NFT owners are difficult to take loans on the platform because there are very few lenders are willing to put the funds for lending. So there are also shallow lending volumes in the other lending platforms, like including the Upshot and MT20. So Banksy provide a safe and reliable lending environment for NFT markets, solve the problem of NFT liquidity, and fully release the value of NFTs. So like as the NFT developed in the markets, we found there was few issues like price confusion and poor liquidity, and there's no security for lenders' funds. So Banksy first integrates AI technology in the NFT markets to establish the reliable NFT pool-based lending solution to address these issues for markets. And we developed a set of AI-driven NFT AI kits, referred to as the NAK protocol. So, which is the NFT market-based artificial intelligence algorithms tool sets. So NAK protocol is a complete solution that can address the risk caused by the price confusion and worthless NFT in mortgage lending. It provides a timely feedback to the NFT lending market through AI Oracle when the price is changing and ensure the security of the lender's funds. So by using the base analyze and chain analyze and originality check with the data acquisition consolidations and the NFT price will be calculate out timely and fit to AI oracles. As a result, the AI oracle will provide a reasonable price reference for users in NFTs transactions and mortgage lendings. So the NFT pool-based lending is different. It's different from the P2P mortgage lending, which supports the mortgage NFT directly in the platform for loans without requiring both lenders and borrowers to end agreements. Banksy provide the safety pools ensure security for NFT pool-based lending and protect the interests of the lenders. So the users can mortgage their NFTs in mortgage contract and get a reference price from the AI Oracle and exchange for corresponding C tokens to mortgage and take a loan from the lending pools. And AI Oracle will provide a lending rate for the maximum loan and provide health factors for users. When it was less than 1, the loan will be liquidated to maintain solvency. So if the health factor was close to 1, the liquidation risk NFT will be listed out for all users. So users can prepay as a liquidator to get NFTs when it was liquidated. They will receive the KSY tokens as well. So users are welcome to deposit their funds like ETH, USDT in the lending pool for earning interest. The funds were exchanged for C tokens and mortgage for loans of other mainstream tokens. They will also get a rewards of Banksy inactive tokens KSY. So we set up a safety funds pool where users can stake KSY and KSY ETH trading pairs in the pool for revenue and rewards from the platform. In case of a loss of capital, the safety funds pool will use up to 30% of their assets allocated to cover their deficit, and it will ensure the lender's funds when the shortfall occurs. So we have upgraded our DAPP, and so here I will do a demo for you guys. When we enter the main page of Banksy, we can see on the top is a banner of Banksy. So there were some events hosted in the Banksy platforms, and down below here is the main business of the NFT Banksy. So this is the NFT pool-based lending. So we can see the market size and up volumes here, and also we can check the safety pool volumes and deposit volumes, and also here is the transaction creation and borrow sections. So when we click the creation, we can quickly check, quickly create my own NFTs. So we go to the NFT marketplace. We can see here there were some NFT show up just now I just buy this one. So this is my the NFTs I buy just now. So then we go to the develop sections. So in these sections, we can see there was some different style of NFT. So like a painting, Japanese and Chinese style and cartoon style. So in my wallet this is my NFTs. I can select like a painting style and with my lovely puppy NFTs. So by generate of the AIs, we can quickly see how the migration NFT shows. So like this one is the new NFT I create. So very convenient and quick for creators to create their new NFTs. So we go to the pool sections. We can check in the markets page the general deposits volumes in the market, and also the mortgage NFT values volumes here. And also we can see the deposit pool. We have set up a different mainstream currencies deposit pools here, and users can select and deposit their currency to gather revenues. So also here is the mortgage pools. We support the mainstream NFTs like CryptoPunks and CryptoKitties, and also like board apps. So this is the total volume of the mortgage NFTs in Banksy Marketplace. Also here we can check my dashboard. We can see how much my deposits. So we can see my borrowed, my collateral, and also the important information is the health factors. So here we can also can see my deposit, and yeah, this is the data dashboard to review. And the NFT I mortgage, we can see here. Okay. So go to the deposits page. We can see how much I deposit in my wallet balance, and also here is my total deposits and borrow. So this is show up the different lending pool available for me to borrow. So we will divide in different mainstream currency to borrow for users, and also the users would like to borrow the loans on the market. So they need to mortgage first of their NFTs, and here also shows my total borrows here. So mortgage. So here is connected. When the user connect his wallet, it will show up their NFTs in their wallets. So we can see here we will show up like a CryptoPunk series and CryptoKitties series. So I can select any one to mortgage for the loans. So staking, we welcome users for stake KSY or KSY ETF trading pairs in the safety funds pool, and it will get revenues and rewards from the Banksy. And in the future, we can show up here. Sorry, the mortgage. Like we can select the mortgage of my NFTs. So here we can see the detailed information and evaluations of my NFTs. So when we click the evaluations, and we will show, and the AI Oracle will work on the analyze to work out the evaluation values and also mortgage rates. And when click confirm, it will pop up the double confirming information here. So it's very easy to get a loans from the Banksy market. So in the future, we support the artists and the gallery exhibitions here, and also the farms. And AI Oracle is coming soon. And the last one is the airdrop and the events hosted in the Banksy. Like we have joined the Sonata Hackathon and currently Filecoin, and we can the people vote for us can apply the information here for the airdrops. Yeah, so this is the marketplace. So I'm gonna share my screen again. So our teams are all come from the top tier internet enterprise, and all from the famous universities, and about 10 members working and with the extensive experience in blockchain. So this is our roadmap. Currently we already complete the market research and build a product planning and project setup in the Q1 of this year, and complete the basic functions and the first version of a demo. Actually, current demo is the second version. So in next step, we will complete the NAK protocol, and also the function of a pool-based lending. And in the first quarter of next year, we complete the master chain deployment. So here, welcome to vote for us through the hacker link, and fill out the voting page, and also fill out the information applying for airdrop in our website. Thank you very much, and also don't forget to join our community. We can join our Telegram, the Twitter, and Discord, and Facebook. So okay, so this is the presentation of our Banksy project. Thank you, guys.
Awesome. Thank you, Terry. Yeah. First question is, do you consider airdropping some of your early tokens to the voters participating in HackerLink voting?
Yeah, when we're listing our project, and we were offer the airdrop for the voters who vote for us, and this is the like revenue for the supporters of our fans.
Awesome. Yeah. Second question is, are you guys raising privately? What are the next steps?
Yeah, currently we are at the C now raising. So currently we are doing like several negotiation with investors for the over the world.
Awesome. Anyone already committed yet?
Currently is in the process of a negotiation. So we are working the alternatives for all investors to communicate and talk about our project and the collaborations.
Awesome. Yeah. Okay. And what do you see is the next biggest milestone for your project? from either product development side. Like I can see you want to deploy this product multi-chain in the future. Do you see any competition in the project you're building? And can you walk us through what's your best niche? Why Banksy is better?
Yeah, so here for the milestone next one, because now we have upgrading the version of the website and the DIPB. So currently we are ahead of the roadmap here. So we currently completed the Banksy function like creation, AI generate creation, and NFT buy and borrow, this kind of functions. And the next step, big milestone, is for the to complete their NAK protocol. I mean, so this is the AI Oracle. And this is the basis. This is the basis for the NFT pool-based lending. So next step is milestone for the NAK protocol. And for our development team, we are from the we are a team of R&D is about 10 people, and we are working from different countries and also have a lot of experience of development in the blockchains. So it is not a technical issue, not technical problem for us to develop this product. So any competitions currently in the mortgage lending markets, most of the solution is P2P mortgage lending. So we are now created the first pool-based NFT pool-based lending. So it's just the first one and create in this market. So this is why we think it could be a revolution for the mortgage lending markets.
Awesome. That's great. It's glad to hear. That's actually a pretty big team. 10 of us on the tech side. Do you have anything to share with the community? And anything you would love to say to them in the demo at the end of the demo session?
Oh yeah. So communities here. We have built like a Discord communities of the total members reach out to more than 2,000 members, and it is built in a very short time, and a lot of people saw us in the communities and join us. And also like a Twitter, we have more than 2,000 followers in. And yeah, people love I think people are interested in our project and join our communities, and we share our details of our project and the progress of project, and also share the events and the events for voting and events for airdrop. So we are building quite good in the community building. Yeah. So this is welcome the people and guys to join us to build a more stronger communities.
Awesome. Yeah, one last question. Can you tell us why it's called Banksy Finance?
Banksy Finance is Banks, as we know, Banksy is an artist is quite famous artist, and we are inspired for his spirit and attitude to the world and the arts, and is kind of aggressive and revolution for the markets. So we built this project named with then as a Banksy. So is encouraged by Banksy, this artist. So we would like to build a platform to greatly promote the market of NFT. So this is the name come from.
Awesome. Yeah, it's great having you here, Terry. And yeah, let us know what kind of resources you're looking for. And DoraHacks is also very happy to help in the near future as well for your project. Yeah, you can connect with us privately after this live session. But guys, Banksy is welcoming everyone to join their community, and don't forget to go to HackerLink to vote for Banksy if you really like what they presented, what they're building on. A really interesting project in the Filecoin ecosystem. Yeah, so stay tuned join their community to stay tuned for their most recent updates and support them early. Thank you, Terry, for joining us.
Okay, thank you, Steve.